Welcome to the step-by-step guide to the Betterment Android app. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the app to manage your investments and achieve your financial goals. First, download and install the Betterment Android app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Next, you will be asked to provide some financial information, including your income, savings, and investment goals. This information will help the app to create a personalized investment plan for you. You will also be asked to choose your investment options, such as a taxable brokerage account or a retirement account. After completing the sign-up process, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your account balance, investment portfolio, and transaction history. From the dashboard, you can also navigate to other sections of the app, such as the Investment tab, where you can view your investment portfolio and make changes to your investments. The Investment tab allows you to view your investment portfolio in detail, including the types of investments you own and the returns you have earned. You can also use this tab to make changes to your investments, such as adding or removing funds from your portfolio. Another important feature of the Betterment Android app is the ability to set financial goals. You can use the Goals tab to set specific financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or a vacation. The app will then provide you with a personalized plan to help you achieve your goal. In addition to these features, the Betterment Android app also provides a number of tools and resources to help you manage your investments and achieve your financial goals. These include educational articles and videos, as well as customer support from licensed financial experts. To get the most out of the Betterment Android app, it is a good idea to regularly review your account and make adjustments as needed. You should also take advantage of the educational resources and customer support provided by the app to help you make informed investment decisions. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by the Betterment Android app, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. The app is designed to be easy to use and provides a range of features and tools to help you manage your investments and achieve financial success.